Most people get married primarily to be happy. But the primary purpose of marriage is not to make you happy, it is to make you holy. Now don't misunderstand what I'm saying, because God wants you happy. But He wants your happiness to be a byproduct of your holiness. So be happy.
There is no fear in love, but perfect love casts out all fear, because fear involves torment. But he who fears has not been made perfect in love. We love him because he first loved us.
Just as this ring is a circle without end,
My love for you is eternal,
my love for you is eternal,
and my commitment to you will never fail.
and my commitment to you will never fail.
I promise to love you,
I promise to love you,
even when I may not like you,
even when I may not like you,
to respect you,
to respect you,
even when I disagree with you,
even when I disagree with you,
to laugh with you in times of joy,
to laugh with you in times of joy,
and comfort you in times of sorrow,
and comfort you in times of sorrow.
to share in your dreams.
To share in your dreams.
I choose to join my life with yours.
I choose to join my life with yours.
I promise that I'll always pray with you
I promise that I will always pray with you
and pray for you.
and pray for you.
I will keep God at the center of our relationship
I will keep God at the center of our relationship
and love you as Christ loves the church.
and love you as Christ loves the church.
What